So we'll take this problem from circle which has been asked in JEE Advanced 2020 paper 2. The question says, let O be the center of the circle x square plus y square equal to r square, where r is greater than root 5 by 2. Suppose PQ is the chord of this circle and the equation of the line passing through P and Q is 2x plus 4y equal to 5. If the center of the circumcircle of the triangle OPQ lies in the line x plus 2y is equal to 4, then value of r is. Now what happens in this question? They have given us a standard circle x square plus y square equal to r square with the center as origin. So first I will draw a circle something like this. So say this is some circle. Okay. Now here this circle I will assume thus O be the center of this circle which is having the coordinate as origin. Okay. In this circle we have a chord PQ. So what I will do is I will draw a chord PQ on this circle. So I have drawn a chord. So this is the chord PQ on this circle. Okay. And the equation of the line passing through P and Q is 2x plus 4y equal to 5. So this line is only having the equation, this 2x plus 4y equal to 5 is the equation of our PQ chord only. If the center of the circumcircle OPQ, now let us first we make the triangle OPQ. So if I take this triangle OPQ, now what the question is saying, if the center of the circumcircle of the triangle OPQ, so circumcircle of the triangle OPQ may go something like this. It will go say like this. This is the circumcircle of the triangle OPQ. Now what the question is saying, the center of the circumcircle. So if this is the circumcircle, then the center of the circumcircle lies on the line x plus 2y is equal to 4. Now if you carefully observe this line and this line, both these lines are parallel. That means this line, the diameter of this line would be parallel to the line PQ, correct? Because the center of the circumcircle lies on this line. So this line PQ and the bigger circle diameter will be parallel to each other. So this would go say something like this. Now here I can use lot of geometrical result. What I will do is, if I draw a perpendicular from the center on the chord PQ, that perpendicular will bisect the chord first of all. And if I extend this perpendicular to here, so this and this, both these angles will be equal to 90 degree. Another important thing is, if I take this triangle OPQ and say this is the point C, which is the circumcenter of the triangle OPQ. If C is the circumcenter of the triangle OPQ, then the distance of this circumcenter from all the three vertices will be equal. That means the distance from C to O will be equal to the distance from C to P. This is one important result which we will be using to solve this particular problem. Now here, let us first find out some distances. Say this is the point M. What is the distance from O to M? That we can easily find out using the formula of distance of a line from the origin. The line PQ and the origin O will be given by the distance OM. So what is this OM? OM will be equal to 5 upon square root of coefficient of x, which is 2, so square of 2, which is 4, plus coefficient of y is 4 over here, so plus 16, so this gives me 5 divided by root 20. Root 20 can be written as 2 root 5. So this is the distance from O to M. Similarly, I can find out the distance from O to C. which is the distance from this line and the origin O. So the distance from O to C will be given by this line I am talking about, which is 4 divided by square root of 1 square plus 4 square, which is equal to square root of 1 plus 4, that is equal to 4 upon root 5. Now based on this I can also find out the distance from C to M. So what is the distance from C to M? Distance CM will be given by distance OC minus OM. OC we already got 4 upon root 5 minus 5 upon 2 root 5. So to make the calculation easy, 4 upon root 5 I will write it as 8 upon 2 root 5. So 8 upon 2 root 5 minus 5 upon 2 root 5 will give me 3 upon 2 root 5. So this gives me the distance CM. Now here if I take this right angle triangle, if I take this triangle, I am talking about the triangle PCM. This triangle, if we say, in this triangle, if I use the Pythagoras theorem, now the first thing which I said is the distance of this circumcenter from the 3 vertices are equal. So the distance from C to P will be equal to the distance from C to O. And what is the distance from C to O? Which is 4 upon root 5, which we have already calculated. Now if I take the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle PCM, what I get is the hypotenuse PC square should be equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, which is PM square plus MC square. Now PC we already got it, it is same as OC, which is 4 upon root 5. So this is 4 upon root 5 square is equal to, this is root 5 square is equal to PM square. Now what is PM square? This I need to find out. So how will I find out the length PM? This I can make use of another right angle triangle. If I take the triangle POM. Now observe very carefully. This is also a right angle triangle, correct? So in this right angle triangle, what is PO? PO is nothing but the radius of this circle. So PO is equal to R. Okay. So if I take in triangle PMO, if I use the Pythagoras theorem, I will get PO square, that is R square, is equal to this length PM square plus OM square. Now OM we have calculated as 5 upon 2 root 5. So 5 upon 2 root 5 is nothing but root 5 by 2, correct? This will be root 5 by 2 square. So our PM square becomes equal to R square minus 5 by 4. So why I got that? Because I will be needing it in this calculation. So what is PM? What is the value of PM square? PM square is R square minus 5 by 4. So I will write it as R square minus 5 by 4 plus MC square. Now what is the distance from M to C? That also we have calculated, which is 3 upon 2 root 5. So I will write it as 3 upon 2 root 5 square. Okay. Remaining part calculation I am doing it here. So this becomes 16 divided by 5 is equal to R square minus 5 by 4 plus this becomes 9 upon 4 root 5 square, means this will be 5 into 4, which is 20. So this becomes 9 by 20. So what is R square? R square, simply take the other terms on the left hand side. So this gives me 16 by 5 plus 5 by 4 minus 9 by 20. So here if you calculate the LCM is 100, 5, 4 and 20. So 20 into 5 is 100 and 20 into 16 is 320 plus 25 into 4 is 100 and 25 into 5 is 125 minus 20 into 5 is 100 and 9 into 5 is 45. So 125 minus 45 is 80, 80 plus 300 is 400. So 400 by 100 is the value of R square, which is 4. So if R square is equal to 4, you can clearly say that the value of r will be equal to 2 because r square equal to 4. So r equal to 2 is the right answer to this question.